Are you tired of not getting phone calls from recruiters? Your resume mistake may be costing you thousands of dollars. Watch this video to find out how to fix it. Your resume is the gatekeeper that decides whether you make it to the interview stage or not. It's the first impression that the hiring manager has of you, and it can either open doors to new opportunities or slam them shut. Think of it as your personal sales pitch to potential employers. It's your chance to showcase your skills and accomplishments in a concise and compelling way. Just like how a good salesperson knows how to highlight the unique features and benefits of their product. Your resume should highlight your unique qualifications and experiences. But if your sales pitch falls flat or doesn't showcase your product's best features, you could lose out on potential customers. In the same way, if your resume is weak or poorly crafted, you could lose out on potential job opportunities and higher salaries. When you have a strong resume, you increase your chances of getting multiple interview offers from different companies. This gives you the power to negotiate better salary offers and choose the best fit for your career goals. But if your resume is poorly written or lacks important information, you may miss out on the chance to interview with companies that would have paid you more than your current job. In the tech industry, salaries for the junior software engineering position can vary greatly from one company to another, from $60,000 to $160,000 per year. That's a huge difference, and having a weak resume can cost you tens of thousands of dollars in salary every year. So, take the time to invest in crafting a top-notch resume that accurately reflects your skills and experience. It could be the difference between landing your dream job or settling for less. Let's make every application count, so without further ado, here are some tips to help you write a strong resume that can help you get noticed and land your dream job. 1. Start with a strong summary statement. The summary statement is the hook of your resume, and it needs to be strong, memorable, and captivating to catch the employer's attention. To achieve this, be strategic in your word choice and messaging, highlighting your relevant skills and experience, and showcasing your unique personality and work style. Your summary statement is your personal branding statement and a way to differentiate yourself from other candidates by showing your value proposition. A concise and compelling summary statement can increase your chances of getting to the next stage of the hiring process. 2. When applying for programming jobs, it's crucial to highlight your relevant skills and experience in your resume. For example, if you're applying for a Java developer position, make sure to include your proficiency in Java and any related tools or technologies you've worked with, such as Spring Framework or Hibernate. Use bullet points to list specific projects you've worked on, highlighting your contributions and achievements. If you've contributed to open source projects or participated in hackathons or coding competitions, make sure to include those as well. It's also important to tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for by using keywords that match the job description and requirements. For instance, if the job posting emphasizes experience with front-end web development, make sure to highlight your relevant experience in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Quantifying your achievements on your resume is a powerful way to demonstrate your impact and value to potential employers. Use specific and measurable outcomes to add credibility and context to your accomplishments. For instance, instead of saying, "You created a mobile application," specify how many downloads or active users it had. You can also highlight the impact your work had on the company or project. Instead of simply stating that you fixed bugs in the code, specify how many bugs you fixed and how it improved the performance of the application or system. By quantifying your achievements, you can demonstrate your expertise and effectiveness as a programmer. 4. Tailoring your resume to match the requirements of the job you're applying for is essential to stand out from other applicants. For instance, if the job posting emphasizes proficiency in Python, you should ensure that your resume highlights your experience and accomplishments using Python. Use the same language as the job posting to make your resume more appealing to an applicant tracking system and increase the chances of catching the attention of recruiters. For example, if the job posting mentions data analysis, use that exact phrase in your resume if you have relevant experience in that field. 5. Include relevant projects and side hustles in your resume to showcase your skills and experience, particularly if you're lacking in work experience. This is especially important for software engineers, where experience with programming languages and technologies is highly valued. Focus on the most relevant projects and highlight the specific technologies and tools you used, as well as the problems you solved. For example, if you're applying for a front-end web development role, highlight projects that demonstrate your skills in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Provide links to your projects or GitHub repositories, allowing employers to see your work in action and gain a deeper understanding of your abilities. 6. Keeping it concise and easy to read. Recruiters and hiring managers are often swamped with a large number of resumes, so making yours easy to scan and understand can increase the likelihood of it being reviewed thoroughly. To achieve this, use bullet points, clear headings, and white space to break up the text and make it easy to scan. This approach can help ensure that the most important information is highlighted and easily identifiable. It's also important to avoid lengthy paragraphs and stick to 1 or 2 pages. Remember that your goal is to convey your relevant experience and qualifications in a clear and concise manner, rather than to include every detail of your background. Ideally, your resume should be no more than 1 page long. 7. To make a good impression on potential employers, your resume should be professional and easily legible. The font and format you choose play a crucial role in this. Opt for a standard font like Arial or Times New Roman, as they are universally accepted and easily readable. Use a simple and clean format with clear headings and bullet points to make it easy for recruiters to scan and understand your qualifications. Avoid using images or graphics, as they may distract the reader and be incompatible with the applicant tracking systems, ATS. This may lead to your resume being rejected by the system. 8. Finally, before you send your resume, make sure that you edit and proofread its content. Spelling and grammatical errors or inconsistent formatting can suggest carelessness and distract recruiters and hiring managers from your qualifications. To avoid such mistakes, carefully review your resume. Read it aloud or use a spelling and grammar checker. It's also beneficial to have someone else provide feedback. Additionally, pay close attention to formatting to ensure consistency throughout. Your resume is a critical asset when searching for tech jobs. The impact of a strong resume extends beyond just getting a job offer. Consider the potential earnings you might miss out on if you are passed over for job opportunities due to a weak resume. Once you submit a poorly written resume, the recruiters may overlook your application entirely, assuming you lack attention to detail or the necessary skills for the position. Even if you are qualified, your resume has failed to make a strong case for your candidacy. In the tech industry, where demand for skilled professionals is high, a strong resume can help you negotiate a higher salary, better benefits, or even lead to more career advancement opportunities in the future. Overall, investing time and effort in creating a strong resume is a smart move for anyone looking to land their dream job in the tech industry. By following the tips we discussed and ensuring your resume accurately reflects your skills and experiences, you can increase your chances of success and avoid missing out on valuable career opportunities. So there you have it. Those are the most important things you need to consider in writing your resume. For additional support in your resume writing, we recommend watching our video on the 10 crucial skills you need on your resume. This will complement the tips you've learned today and help you create a more effective resume that highlights your abilities. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. We wish you success in your job search and look forward to seeing you in our next video.